Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today, we are taking a look at the Telos XL Kayak Load Assist system from Malone. The Telos XL is a temporary load assist system that attaches to your existing compatible kayak cradles to allow you to ratchet your kayak up onto your vehicle from waist height. It's ready to go in minutes and has a weight capacity of 75 pounds. Out of the box, the Telos XL comes mostly pre-assembled. Removing the end cap with the supplied Allen key and installing the kayak cradles onto the system is all you'll need to do before it's ready for use. The Telos is compatible with these specific Malone kayak cradles, the C-Wing, the J-Loader, and the downloader as shown here. An adapter can be purchased separately to allow the Telos to be used with most other kayak cradles. To install the system, insert the tab on the top of the Telos into the slot located on the boarding ramp of the kayak cradle. With that in place, release the knobs to allow the system to telescope down to the ground. Once you have the system adjusted to the necessary length, tighten the knobs. With the Telos installed, you're ready to load your kayak. Place your boat in the cradles, and use the ratcheting mechanism to lift your boat up on top of your vehicle. Once your boat is all the way up, go ahead and roll it into the cradles. Want to take your boat down? The process is the same, just in reverse. Roll the kayak into the Telos, and ratchet the kayak back down to waist height. Thank you for checking out our video on the Malone Telos XL. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.